I have some supply here to create a fluorescent glow-in-the-dark dance party with my kiddos. This pack is awesome. It comes with a bunch of different supply. I have 200 light sticks here, so these are just gonna crack and you'll see the fluorescent light kind of glow. Multiple different colors. I have some glasses that are heart shaped, and I have some glasses that are pumpkin shaped that you can intertwine the glow sticks in. We have a bunch of different supply that you can make headband fun with. There's stars and hearts and butterflies. So all of this fun stuff that we get to put on our bodies to create a fun dance party. So I will get this going and show you how it works.